Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Deriv TradingView. DerivX now seamlessly integrates TradingView charts, offering you powerful analytical tools right within your trading platform. This means you can access advanced charting capabilities and real-time market data without any additional subscriptions or fees. It is a fantastic way to elevate your trading analysis and decision-making process, all in one convenient location. To begin, first log into your Deriv account. If you are new, creating an account is a quick and straightforward process. Once logged in, head over to the Traders Hub. Here, you will find the DerivX section. Click on the Get button to initiate the creation of your DerivX account. You will then be prompted to set a secure password for this specific trading account. Once your DerivX account is successfully set up, proceed to My Trading Account. You will immediately find the integrated TradingView chart ready for your analysis. This provides a comprehensive view of various markets. As an alternative, you can also visit Charts. Deriv.com directly in your browser to access TradingView charts for analysis, even without logging into your Deriv account. With TradingView on DerivX, you gain access to a robust suite of tools. You can utilize over 100 built-in indicators to deepen your market analysis. Experiment with 17 different customizable chart types, from candlesticks to Renko, to visualize market data in various ways. Additionally, employ over 110 smart drawing tools for precise chart annotations, helping you identify key trends and patterns effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.